So I didn't download every Korean app out there, but I did spend time with some popular ones to see what's actually worth downloading. Some were free, some were paid with memberships, and some were surprisingly addictive. This is not sponsored, this is just my honest thoughts as someone who's learning Korean. Let's get to it. Before I download a language app, I'm looking for something that has a balance of reading, listening, and speaking. I'm also looking for something that is not overwhelming, but something that's easy to use. Because if it feels like homework, you know how it is. You don't really want to get into that. I want an app that I can easily come back to. The first app will be Pingo AI, and I'll be adding snippets of me trying these apps on this video. Pingo AI is great. It's just that it's paid. It's paid for. You have to pay for a membership for you to continue any further. I only managed to do some few lessons before it was asking me for a membership. So on that part, it's not really great if you're looking for something that's fully free. However, it seems like a great app, and it also has like real AI that you can talk to so you can practice your conversation skills.
Hey, I'm Pingo. Pick a mode below to get started. 안녕하세요. 여기서 만나게 되어서 정말 반가워요. 어디서 오셨어요?
안녕하세요. 저는 아프리카에서 왔어요. 반가워요, 정말. And then we're gonna move on to LingoDeer. I really enjoyed my time in LingoDeer. LingoDeer is partially paid for, or you have to pay for the premium features. However, it also allows you to learn for free to a certain extent. I would say LingoDeer is like an upgraded version of Duolingo. I've used Duolingo for so many years, and encountering LingoDeer, I could feel the sense of familiarity in the way they do their lessons, they structure the lessons. However, it's different, and I feel like it's more comprehensive as it allows you to have different segments where you can read, where you can learn vocabulary, where you can learn sentence structure, and where you can actually practice speaking in the application. So it's an all-rounder. It's generally great. I believe with premium features it comes with way more. It also includes audio from native speakers. It also has quizzes, and it has cultural tips that just make sense. 우리 엄마 거야. 저 원형 부채는 중국 거고.
저 핑크색 부채는 일본 거야.
저 핑크색 부채는 일본 거야.
저 핑크색 부채는 일본 거야.
다 우리 엄마 거야.
다 우리 엄마 거야. And moving on to the third app, we have Write Korean. Write Korean is a great app for beginners who are looking to practice and learn Hangul. Hangul is the Korean alphabet. It will have you tracing the letters or the characters over and over until it becomes second nature, which is actually great if you're looking to learn Hangul effectively. It doesn't teach full sentences or vocabulary, it's just focused on the alphabet. So have that in mind when you're downloading it.
아, 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 아,
기억 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 가
And then the fourth app that I tried is Talk to Me in Korean Stories. This is a phenomenal app. I believe for people who are preparing for TOPIK exam, this is amazing as it allows you to read and listen to stories in real Korean language. So it's not just snippets of the language, vocabulary here and this here, but it's the language all together comprehensively. And I love that for the app. It's next level for listening practice. You get stories, short stories that you can listen to and read along as you go. It honestly feels like I'm listening to real life Korean. However, it's important to note that you will get the most out of it if you already know some Korean basics. So it's not necessarily great for beginners, but if you're somewhere along the beginner intermediate level, you will definitely enjoy it. And most definitely, it's a great app for TOPIK exam preparation.
아주 특별한 면접 1. 저는 이번에 대학교를 졸업했어요. 회사에서 일하고 싶어요. 그래서 열심히 노력하고 있어요. 꼭 들어가고 싶은 회사가 있어요. 회사 시험이 너무 어려웠어요. 그렇지만 저는 합격했어요. 믿고 있었어요.
So if you're a complete beginner, start with Write Korean. This is where you can practice your Hangul and actually perfect it. If you want grammar and structured lessons, go for LingoDeer. And if you're ready for natural conversations and are practicing listening and reading for Korean TOPIK exam, go for Talk to Me in Korean Stories. And finally, if you're confident enough to speak, try out Pingo AI. However, be warned that it is not free, so you need to secure a membership to go further. As for me, I'll mix and match depending on what I need at the moment. No single app will do everything, so it's okay to use just more than one. These are the new Korean apps that I've tried so far this year. Let me know in the comments which one is your go-to for learning Korean, and let me know what features you get out of there. Let's connect. If you're learning a language too, join me. I share my real journey here as frequent as possible. Thanks so much for watching. See you on the next one.